Yeah.
Hi, I'm Graeham from Type What, and I'm on a mission to find a cure for type 1 diabetes so it is no longer a life sentence. In this video, we're going to find a way to feed your sweet tooth with zero carbs. So, you want something sweet that won't spike your blood sugars. Impossible, right? Wrong. You just have to know this one secret ingredient. Organic stevia with nothing added. Check the label! Let's try this by making some hot chocolate. This recipe is simple. You take some cacao powder, which is unsweetened chocolate, and some unsweetened soy milk. You do 1 tablespoon of chocolate to every 4 of these teeny tiny micro spoons of stevia, and add your milk and or water, stir it up really good, and this is what you get. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a question, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. Want more free educational content on what type 1 diabetes is and how I'm finding a cure? Subscribe or follow right now so you never miss out.
Hot.
Hot?
Mm-hmm.